and in awe dahil sa pulse-stopping act ni Nomer. Pero hindi pa po dyan nagtatapos ang mga acts natin. I will introduce 7 names at lahat sila lagi nating inaabangan sa iba't ibang Kapuso shows. Sila ay sina Sam Pinto, Joshua Dionisio, Barbie Forteza, Rochelle Pangilinan, Victor Aliwalas, Seth Cadayona, and Glyza De Castro. 7 idols ninyo ang kasama natin dito ngayon. Tanungin natin kay Nomer, ano ba exactly ang gagawin natin, Nomer?
Okay, so very quickly, bibigyan natin sila ng readings.
Okay.
Based from their aura.
Okay.
And hopefully, may makakuha tayong mga sikreto.
Hoy! I like this. Okay, ready na ang ating 7 celebrities at handa na rin si Nomer. Let's find out kung gaano ka-shocking at controversial ang mga readings ni Nomer.
I'll start maybe with Barbie. Your aura is red. Red, ang ibig sabihin ng red, it's passion. Up until now, hinahanap mo pa rin yung passion. Parang you're caught between mag-aaral ba or ito na ba yung gagawin kong career? Yes. I'll go to Joshua. Look at me.
Anong ulit?
Orange, Joshua. Yours is orange. Joshua, are you ready for this, Joshua? May tendency maka-preggy. Oh. Okay.
Palakbakan natin si Nomer. Was that amazing or what?
Amazing.
Hanggang ngayon nga, kahit napakatagal nang nangyari ng trahedya sa Titanic, ay fresh pa rin ito sa isip ng maraming tao. At sa Mentalism, may isang act na umiikot pa rin sa Titanic. At kasama pa rin dito sina Sam, Rochelle, Seth, Joshua, and Barbie. Nomer, explain mo ako na mangyayari.
Okay, kasi I have this antique na box, no? And inside are some articles from the Titanic. Okay. First is a coin. Of course, it's almost 100 years old. Well, more than 100 years old. Okay. And I'm gonna put that right over here. And next is a ring. It's a ruby ring. Here. I'm gonna place that right over here. I also happen to have pictures ng actual passengers ng Titanic. And then I'm gonna give this to you. Rochelle, ang gusto ko gawin mo, separate mo siya sa 2 grupo. Yung mga gusto mo, ilagay mo malapit sa ring. And then yung mga ayaw mo, ilagay mo rito. Okay, so 1 by 1. So yan, gusto mo ba siya? So lagay mo lang siya rito. Okay.
Papatong-patong niya?
Yeah, sige. Yung mga gusto mo, near the ring. Don't go for their looks. Tingnan mo yung emotions na binibigay nila sa'yo. Siguro yung self-experience mo naman. You do the same, yung mga iba, lagay mo rito. Okay, maybe that's about half of it. And then Sam, you do the same. Yung mga gusto mo naman, near the coin. And then yung mga ayaw mo, lagay natin dito sa disk. Sa group na yan. Maybe 2, 3 more pictures. Okay? Yung mga gusto nyo, lagay nyo rito. Yung iba, doon. Okay, so how about few for you? Yes. Same. Okay, the last one. Okay. Again, tong mystery behind this experiment lies kung hindi ko sasabihin sa inyo kung ano yung mangyayari. Hindi ko sinabi sa inyo na yung likod ng mga pictures may mga details. Like some died, some survived. Complete mixture ng mga naka-survive at saka ng mga namatay. But guys, this experiment, even though it's very random, even though it's your free choice, it's your free will, you guys manage to separate those who died from those who survive.
Gulat at di makapaniwala sina Sam, Rochelle, Seth, Joshua, and Barbie sa ginawang Titanic act ni Nomer. Thank you guys. Sa ating pagbabalik,